You run.
Oh, don't go.
Ow! Oh my God, bro, we almost died. Oh, what the hell? Oh, okay, not bad. Oh, ho, ho. Oh. Phew.
We're doing the rest of Burmese, right?
We had a technical difficulty at the top. Yeah.
We almost hit the black trail.
Isn't that the black trail?
Nah.
Oh, no.
There was a jump there on the right. Woo! Oh, stop right here. Oh, I'm pooped. Oh, shit. Oh. Yo, watch out! You good? You sure?
Yeah, it just hurt.
Broken bones?
Nah.
Nice. Oh, we got another front casualty. The other one just ate shit over there. Yo! No brakes. Yeah, right. Any brakes? Yo, Francisco ate shit. Francisco had a massive wipeout at on the tabletop. He got up though.
You wiped out before too, bro.
Yeah, he got up though. I just heard like people on the gondola like, oh, and I looked back and there's like a cloud of smoke.
Did he try to jump it?
Of course. I don't know, I checked on him and he said like he doesn't think there's any broken bones, but he was in pain.
Oh, fuck, man.
He was like laying on the ground.
That doesn't sound good, bro.
I couldn't go back up though because that shit's like a steep downhill.
Yeah, after that, bro, yeah.
Like I stopped at the bottom just to see.
Thankfully, it happened at the end of the trail.
Bro, it's because we're tired, man.
What happened?
It's because we're tired.
Yeah, that's what happened when we were tired. What time is it?
4:48.
Oh, we still got one or two more.
Psych as fuck.
I'm gonna do one more.
Let's do the green now, bro.
I might do the green.
Yeah, just look at how last on the green.
You think he's good, bro?
I hope so, dude.
I mean, he hasn't come down. Oh, he's there. There he is. He's right there.
Oh, he's going down slow, bro. He's in pain, bro.
Is he walking?
Oh, he's in pain. Yeah, he's walking.
Fuck, he's like limping, bro.
Damn.
Oh, dude, I think his trip might be over. No, it was pretty bad. Like,
Yeah. I mean, the fact that you saw a cloud of smoke.
yeah, it was a cloud of smoke.
It's a hard bail, bro. Is he on the bike now?
Nah, bro, he probably can't even walk.
Oh, he's fucking limping.
Yeah, he's limping.
But he had to roll it backwards, like what?
This guy got encouragement from Brian.
I mean, dude, he's a better jumper than me.
Alright, time for brewski then.
You're too confident, bro.
Yeah, bro, he wiped out, and then I look back and I see this guy wiping out at the bottom. No, fucking Fran.
Oh. Oh, I just slid at that last part. That's dumb. I don't know